Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Discord.js series. So in today's video, I'll be making three commands, the rank command, the ranks command, and the del rank. So basically what this command is basically reaction roles, but in typing form. So let's say you have a TypeScript rank and then a JavaScript rank. So if you do question mark rank and then JavaScript, and then you get the JavaScript rank. So that's the basic idea on this three commands. So yeah, let's get started. So we'll start out by creating a schema. Just name this ranks.js, and then we're gonna require mongoose. We're gonna take in model and also schema. Okay, and then we're gonna do module exports, and then model, and in here we're gonna do ranks, comma, and then new schema. Okay, and then we're gonna save the guild, which is the guild ID, the string, and then the role name, the rank will be a string, and then the role ID will be a string. So this is the basic schema. Okay, so let's get started with the commands. I'll just create a new folder, because why not? rank.js, and then ranks.js, and then del rank.js, and then end rank.js. Okay, so we have 4 commands. So hopefully I will make this video under 20 minutes. Yeah. So let's just require schema for, let's just create this one first. Okay, const rank schema equals required // models / ranks. Let me see if my basic setup. Okay, it's here. This is basic setup, and then we call this add rank, or you can name this anything you want. And then first we're gonna check for permissions. If message.member has permission, administrator return, and then rank schema dot find one guild will be message.guild ID. And then we're gonna write const rank name equals args0, or you can make args.join. Okay, and then we'll check for role rank, and then rank name. So we don't want duplicates of the same role over and over again. So we just do what I can do here is just add an if statement in here. If this, and then I'll return message.channel.send. Never mind, let's just not do that. Rank schema of find one, and then we're going to placing error data. And if data, we're just gonna say return message.channel.send. This rank already exists, or else, and then data equals new rank schema, and then we can use the same parameters, which is the guild, rank, and role, and then we're just gonna paste this in. Let me just format it. Okay, for guild, it's gonna be message guild the ID. Rank will be rank name. Okay, and then role will be string. Okay, so now for the role. For role, you're gonna do const role equals message.mentions.roles first. Okay, you can do that, and then in here we'll do role.id. Okay, in else, and then we're just going to data save, and then message channel send, and then role is a new rank, and then I'm just gonna show the rank name. So that is it for the add rank command. So let's just try test this out. Dot. Oh, I need to save this too. Just rerun the bot. Okay, so I have my MongoDB over here, so we can see data. So y add rank. Oh, I forgot to add checks. I'll show you how to add checks later on. Add rank, and then first we will do the rank name. Okay, this should be the other way around. So let me just add rank right now. args.slice 1.join, because you don't want the name to be corrupted. And then if there is no in here, if there's no role, return message or reply, please specify a role. Then if there's no rank name, args message return. Why did I do equal? Return message or reply, please specify a rank name. Okay, and then we can actually use a def strip. Just do node1 dot. So what this does is every time when you save a file, it will automatically restart the bot. But now when it's not working, so we're just gonna do node dot manually. Okay, y add rank, and then you should say it didn't even respond. Let me try that again. Add rank. Yeah, okay, I got the name wrong. Add rank, and then you should say please specify role. So add rank, and then I'll tag the bot role, and then I'm just gonna say bot role. Bot role is a new rank bot role. So if I refresh it, okay, let me just go test, and then it's called ranks, and then you should see data, guild, the guild ID, the rank name, and then the role ID. So this is the first command complete, and then second we're gonna do the rank delete. So we're just gonna copy this, paste it in, change the name to delete del rank. Okay, this one is the same thing. We're gonna mention the role. Actually we don't need to mention the role. Okay, just remove this, and then args.join, and then rank schema.find what go. If data, we're gonna do something, so just remove this, and then if there's data, we're gonna delete the data by doing await rank schema dot find one and delete, and then guild message dot guild the ID, and then rank will be rank name. Okay, and then message dot channel dot send the rank has been deleted. So if there's no data, we're just gonna send else return message dot channel dot send there isn't any data found for this. So yeah, that's the delete rank. So let's just try that out also. So we're trying to delete this bot row. Okay, terminal. Okay, so y del row. I do a random name. Okay, it's not role, it's rank. What am I doing? Rank. There isn't any data found for this, but if I do del rank bot role, okay, can't send of undefined. So I think I made a typo over here. message to channel. Okay, I forgot to put one end. Message to channel send, but it should still delete the data. Okay, so you're perfect. It's deleting the data. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create some. We're gonna create the ranks command to display all the ranks. So you're just gonna copy this again. Okay, and then in here we're gonna change it to ranks. So this one we can let everybody access it because we will let them choose the role, and then we can just remove this honestly. Okay, and then what we can do here is we're gonna find the data from the database. Find one guild. Actually, we need find guild message.guild.id using error data. Okay, if there is no data, just gonna return message.reply. There is not any data. There is no data available. Okay, and then if there is data, we're gonna map the data and then we're gonna put it in an embed. So data.map, and then we're gonna take, what do you call that? Data.map. Where's my schema? Rank and role. We're gonna take the rank and role. So rank, role, and then index. We can actually do index. Index. Actually, this should be in, and then this should be not here. This should be in here. Okay, I think this works. Okay, so it will be straight away destructuring from the data itself, so we don't need to destructure again. Okay, and then we're gonna return a message. So I'm just gonna say the const embed description equals data.map, and then in here we're gonna do and then index, so you know which number is it, and then in here we're gonna do rank. You can make it bold if you want. Let me just make it bold, and then dash or something, and then role. So we will put give the role ID, and then we're gonna ping the role by doing this. Okay, perfect. And then we can actually join with \n, so that this means that it's gonna skip a space every single time. Okay, perfect. So message channel send, and then a new message embed, and then set description embed description. Okay, you can add title, you can add colors, you can add footers, you can add timestamps, anything you want, but I'm just gonna show the basic setup. Okay, and then you can customize this yourself. So let me just start this up again. So we're gonna start by let me see how many unique role I have. Okay, I have Among Us bot role. Let me see. How long has this recording? Okay, 13 minutes with a bit more time. Let me just create some role 1, and then here I'm gonna call this role 2. We just save 3 roles just for demonstration. Okay. Or actually we can join with comma, but never mind. We can just do this. Okay. Y add rank, and then role 1, and then we're just gonna call this 1. Okay, and then if I refresh the database, just show you the data over here. Okay, and then if I do Y add rank, role 2, and then just gonna call this 2, and then let's do the same thing, add rank bot role, and then call this bot. Okay, so if I refresh it, we should see 3 data. and if I do y ranks, okay, so there's the data, so I think we need promises over here. So just try putting this in here. Okay, and then let's just try this again. I don't think it'll work. Let me just do new promise, return. Never mind. Just try this. Y ranks. Okay, let me just see what I did in the warrants command. Data map. Interesting. There should be data though. Let me just console log data first, and then we'll see what we got from there. No dot. Oh, I see now. I'm not returning this. That's why it's returning data. But never mind. We can just try this again. It's function block, and I didn't return anything. That's my bad. So this should work actually. So let's just try to test this out. Y ranks. Okay, perfect. So it will show. Of course, you can customize this. This looks a little bit crappy. You can customize this. So let me just as you can see, exclamation. What is this? #0, #1, #2. You don't want it. If you don't want it to start with 0, you can make sure you can make it start with 1, but the index +1. Okay. And then now we're gonna try to delete a data with del rank, and then we're gonna del rank with the role name, which is bot. Rank has been deleted. So if I do y ranks, you just show 2 rows, so the 1 and 2. Okay, make sure index +1, so the hashtag will start with #1 rather than #0. Okay, now for the final command, the rank command. Okay, and then we're just gonna copy this again, paste it in here, change the name to rank, and then write schema refine 1. Okay, we just need here. Okay, and then first you're gonna define the rank name. Const rank name equals args.join. Okay, and then if there's no arg name, if there's no rank name, return message channel.send. Please specify a rank name. Okay, and then in here we're gonna straight away search for the rank name, rank, and then rank name. Okay, and then it's in there, error data. So if there's no data, we're just gonna say the rank doesn't exist. So return message to reply that rank does not exist. So if there's data, we're gonna add the data by doing we're gonna const role equals message, or we can straight away add the data to the user. So message.member roles.cache.add. Actually, no, I don't think it's cache. You straight away use the add, and then data.role. Because we're passing in the role ID, that's why we can straight away add the role ID. Okay, and then we can just say return message.channel.send you have received, and then we can add the pin thing again for the role, and then data role. Okay, so let's just try this out, and then I'll make a overall testing again at the last part. Okay, let's connect to MongoDB. Okay, so we have 2 ranks now. If I do y ranks, you should start with 1 and then 2. Okay, so if I want the role 1, as you can see here, I don't have role 1 yet. So if I do y rank, and then row 1. Okay, let me just see. If any type supply rows, it's not array or collection. Interesting. So let me just copy this. Is it capital? Let me just see. Data.row. Let me just try console log data and see what we get. I can't type. Okay, and then we're just gonna remove the console log from our ranks command because this already works, and then let's check the models data row. It should work. I don't know why it isn't, but yeah, data row. Oh, find one. My bad. Okay, I think that's the that's how we fix it, because find is for anything that matches this parameters. So if it should be an object in an array, that's why it's returning that error. So if I do find one, it should just return an object. So let's just try this again. 1. So you have received row 1, as you can see here, row 1. And then if I want a second row also, I can just do rank 2, and I'll get rank 2. So I get 2 of the rows. Okay. So yeah. So that's about it for today's video. Maybe not. Let's just let me just show you an overall again. So how to do this? Let me just remove both of the rows, and I'll add. So we're gonna test the first command, which is add rank. So we're gonna add the bot row, and then how we're gonna do this is by doing rank y add rank, and then ping the row, bot row, and then bot row. Okay, and if I do y ranks, you should see 3 rows over here. Alright, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna delete row number 2 by doing y del rank 2. Oops. Del rank 2. Rank has been deleted, so if I write ranks, there's only 2 ranks. Okay, so now I can show you how you can get both of the ranks by doing y rank 1, and I get row 1, and then if I do y rank bot row, and then I receive bot row, and then it isn't giving me. I think it's the AP rate limited. Let me see if there's any error. Missing permissions. So yeah, the reason missing permissions is because the bot highest row is the bot row, so I can't give the bot row, but it should work for the other rows. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. I really spend time in my videos. If you want to join our support server to give a suggestion, or you need help, feel free to join the support server. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel out. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again in our next video. Bye.